Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, plus we have some new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your file of 25 for Saturday. Now while we go through these coupons, I will be skipping over quite a few of them. We're just going to hit on all of the main coupon deals, a few coupons that you need to look out for, and we do have new glitches. So I'm going to go ahead and clip all of those DG store coupons because, as everybody knows, we can stack DG store coupons with manufacturer coupons. We do have some new Pepsi and Mountain Dew coupons today. I will be talking about a couple of deals that y'all can throw together for today only at the end of the video, so make sure that you stick around until the end. We have Hidden Valley Ranch. This does work on the seasoning packets, so pick those up for $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Moving on down, we do have Allegra and Zyzol. I believe the children's liquids are priced at $10.50 on both of those products. And I'm pretty sure we do have DG cashback on both of those products. Next up, we do have a 2-off-1 for our Finish dishwasher tablets. You may not want to clip this one to your account because last week we did receive a higher value coupon, which was a 3-off-1. Alright, next up we have a 150-off-1 for our Palmer's products. So this coupon is glitching. It is working on the 2.1 ounce hand creams. Those are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon you're paying $1.85. And then we also have another really good deal. This is also glitching with the Palmer's bar soap. Those are priced at $2.50 this week, so after the coupon you're paying just $1. Alright, next up we have a 75-cent off one on our restaurant brand frozen fries. At DG we have the Arby's curly fries and the Checkers famous fries. Those are on sale this week for $4, so after the coupon you're paying $3.25. Moving on down, we have a 1-off-1 for our Gain products. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon you're paying $3.50. Next up, we do have a couple Kingsford charcoal coupons. I accidentally clipped this 2-off-1. We do have a higher value 3-off-1 though, so just be careful what you're clipping to your account. Moving on down, we have a 150-off-1 for our Tide and Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $4. And then we also received a new 2-off-1 for our Gain products. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're paying $5.50. There's that 3-off-1 for our Kingsford charcoal, and then we also received a DG store coupon. It's a new 2-off-9 for our Nabisco snacks. I do believe some of you all received that coupon yesterday, so make sure that you clip that one to your account. Moving on down here, we have Airborne. We have a 1-off-1 for our Suavitel products. If you want to pick up the dryer sheets, those are priced at just $1.95, so after the coupon you're paying 95 cents. Great filler item for Saturday. Next, we have a 3-off-1 for our Tide laundry products. These are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're paying $6.95. Be aware if you want to pick up the Power Pods, those have a higher value 305 off one digital coupons. Next up, we have the Canine carryouts. Those are priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're paying 85 cents. Alright guys, up next we have a 2-off-1 for our Persil laundry detergent. These are on sale this week for $9.95. After the coupon, you're paying $7.95. And we also have a 5-off-15 DG store coupon on our All Snuggle and Persil products. So we will see that coupon here in just a minute. Next up, we have a 3-off-1 for our Swiffer products. This coupon is glitching. It is working on the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Now, the last time that we had this little glitch, they did fix it pretty quickly, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it will stick around until Saturday. Alright guys, now next up, we have a 2-off-1 for our Swiffer products, but this one is specifically for the refills, so you can definitely go ahead and clip this one to your account as well. I'm not quite sure if we're going to call this one a glitch or not, but it is working on the 10 count Swiffer Heavy Duty Refills. Those are only priced at $5.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a $5.90 off when you purchase one of the Downy liquid fabric softeners and one of the Rinse-Aid. Both of those are priced at $12.95, so after the coupon you're paying $20 for two. I know that's not a great deal, but it might come in handy, especially with those P&G spin coupons. Now, I will tell you all that this is glitching, so if you want to pick up two of the Downy Rinse-Aids, it will work on picking up two of those. You don't have to pick up one of each, but again, you're paying $20 for two. Next up, we have a one-off two for our drumsticks. These are on sale this week for $3.50, so after the coupon, you're paying $6 for two. Next up, we have a one-off one for our Maxwell House coffee. These are on sale this week for $8.50, so after the coupon, you're paying $7.50. Alright guys, up next, we got a $1.50 off one for our spring products, so if you want to pick up the 2-count deodorants, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're paying $3.25. Right beside it, we have a 3-off one for our Downy products, so those are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're paying $7.95. Dropping right down below it, we have a 5-off 2 for our Poise products. Those start out at $6.50, so pick up two. After the coupon, you are paying $8 for two. Moving on down, we have a 1-off 1 for our U by Kotex products. These start out at $3.95. After the coupon, you're paying $2.95. We have a 2-off 1 for our Dove Hair Care. 5-off 2 for our Tresemme products. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're paying $7 for two. We also have a $1.50 off one for our Cantu hair care products. These start out at $4.25, so after the coupon, you're paying $2.75. 1-off 3 for our Coca-Cola. The 6-packs are on sale this week, 3 for $10, so after the coupon, you're paying $9 for 3. We also have a new 2-off 3 on our Dr. Pepper products. We have the 6-packs on sale this week, 3 for $10, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 3. Next up, we have our DG store coupon, 5-off 15 for our All Snuggle Purex and Persil products, so definitely go ahead and clip that to your account. Right below it, we have a 2-off 1 for our DG Health Sleep Aids. Those start out at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Another great filler item for Saturday. Here we have some more DG store coupons, dish soap, trash bags. We have a 3-off 1 for our L'Oreal, and we have a 1-off 1 for our Garnier hair care product. Alright guys, now I promised you all a couple of bonus deals here at the end, so let's talk about Pepsi and Lay's products. We do have that DG store coupon for 3-off 2, and it does expire today. We just received some new manufacturer coupons, so I threw together a couple of deals that y'all can do today only, Sunday only deals. So this week at DG, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs on sale, 3 for $13. So if you want to use all of your Pepsi coupons today, go ahead and pick up a total of 6 Mountain Dew and Pepsi 12 packs. Make sure that 2 of them are the Baja Blast flavor. Throw in one of the Frito-Lay dips after all 3 coupons are applied. That's going to leave you paying $21.30 for all 7 items. Now, if that deal's a little bit too big for you, you don't need that much, just pick up 3 of the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs and throw in one of the Frito-Lay dips. After all coupons are applied, that's going to leave you paying $11.30 for all 4 items. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but you all know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.